This is Smena, my first camera, my dad's camera. This is what attracted me to photography, this shiny silver looking camera. It has here an aperture ring. You can manual focus the lens, cock the shutter, compose and take the picture. Then load film to your next position. This is a very practical camera and you can obtain some beautiful film pictures with this camera, and it's working and I love to use it for double exposure also. Probably I will make a review regarding this camera and the pictures that I've obtained with this camera, so please be sure to check my YouTube channel for this.